Hey, what's up guys? Josh here, and today, the 11th of February 2024, I'm happy to tell you that finally I was able to finish this long delayed video that was taken many months ago. It took a while because I am so booked up with my regular job, my 8 to 5, and I tried my best, and I hope you like it. Let's get into it. Just like DJ Khaled said, fresh sneakers are important on a man. It's like a new pair of boxers or a new pair of socks. So in this video, we are going to unbox these cool and fresh pairs of sneakers with their random stories. We are going to unpack it in no particular order. Let's dive into it. Let's start off with this one. I copped this pair of kicks via Nike Air sneakers release in August 2023. In one member, one pair buying option. Initially, I was stoked for this one as I was able to grab a pair despite being released in limited numbers. In addition, this pair created a different kind of hype for carrying the most iconic and well-sought colorway, the Black Sail Varsity Red, also known as Bread or Black and Red. This is the AJKO1 Bread Low. The AJKO inherently carries with it the notion of being a knockoff, given its acronym actually does stand for Air Jordan Knockoff. While this nomenclature might suggest a lesser version of the Air Jordan 1, delving into the history and intention behind the AJKO's creation paints a different picture. However, for some reason, I personally didn't find it cool on feet. Although they said that this pair is true to size, I really felt the otherwise. It honestly looked and felt small on feet, so better cop half size bigger if you wish to buy from resellers. Next, I purchased these pairs of sneakers together with the other pairs I sold online. Sometimes, buying in big numbers is encouraged, like buying 20 to 25 pairs a time provides cool discounts and benefits. Also, as a reseller, I could also take advantage of the economy of scale aside from some freebies that go with it. Now let's go with these kicks. This one is a special edition that pays homage to the sneakers sported by the player in the 1996 live-action movie Space Jam. Presented in a Palomino and Wildberry colorway, these Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid sneakers boast their iconic full-court style and premium comfort. They're completed with an air sole unit that cushions play on the hardwood, while the padded collar gives a supportive feel. Who doesn't know this pair of sneakers? This version features a leather and synthetic leather construction for added durability, built to be lighter and more weatherproof than any other shoe. The Nike Classic Cortez shoe is Nike's original running shoe designed by Bill Bowerman and released in 1972. The Nike Cortez was Bill Bowerman's first masterpiece. All I can say is that this is the original. From legacy runners to fashion phenoms and to movie stars, the Nike Cortez continues to deliver decade after decade. Moreover, the Nike Cortez has undoubtedly become a style icon and woven into the history of popular culture. Now, this pair of sneakers could be the coolest pair of shoes in this video to date. Why? Because I got this pair of sneakers for free. Nike Air gifted it to me free of charge. How? Because I purchased considerably a huge number of pairs for the past 6 months. As I've mentioned a while ago, buying in bulk sometimes leads to a cool benefits or freebies, just like these free sneakers. This is the Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM in Team Orange and Team Red colorway, somewhere between the summer and fall aesthetically. The colorway first shines a spotlight on the brighter hues. Orange suede wrap much of the exterior, matching off the nylon tongue adjacent. Burgundy hits the feature of a subtly cracked leather, steal some of the spotlight adjacent as they mark the swoosh, heel tab, laces, and adjacent trappings. Additionally, the shoe's sole unit seems to be part recycled, evidenced by the most non-visible speckling that reminiscent of previously released Next Nature makeups. Who says that April 1 is for the fools, fooling around on April Fool's Day? On April 1, 2023, the Nike Air sneakers released this cool pair of kicks with the condition of raffle to buy one pair of kicks condition, which means that you have to join the raffle, and if you win, you could get a chance to buy only a pair of shoes. And I'm lucky enough to win my first ever raffle to buy option. This is Air Jordan 1 Low Tokyo 96. Can you believe that Michael Jordan first visited Tokyo 25 years ago? And in honor of that history, this special edition AJ1 takes you back to the beginning with colorways inspired by merchandise sold at Hoop Heroes concerts. Dutch blue dominates the outsole and forefoot, while smoke gray covers the upper and heel, while kumquat highlights the wings logo and insole, a worn-out midsole, an exposed foam tongue, and worn-out in look. All that's left for you to say, you've been wearing this since 1996. This pair of kicks showcases a nostalgic theme focusing around the school playground. For hardcore devotees and those just looking to refresh their off-court game, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The class is dismissed, it calls for a recess. Nike Air teamed up with the fashion brand Social Status to bring you one of the wildest designs from the 90s. This is the Social Status X NikeAirMax Penny 1 Recess Collection. This black colorway reimagines the OG Air Max Penny 1 from 1995, highlighted by a familiar color palette inspired by the Orlando Magic. Like the original, the upper utilizes black Nova construction with contrasting white paneling on the lateral side. Interchangeable Velcro shoeshes adorn the quarter panel, while embroidered heel branding features a Nike swoosh integrated into the Social Status logo. Underfoot, the blue translucent rubber outsole is accented with an oversized swoosh and playground-inspired graphics. The co-branded Nike Air and Social Status logo add coveted appeal. Last but not the least, this pair of sneakers definitely is the most special one. Even before the launching, the hype for this pair of sneakers was tremendous that everyone else wanted a pair of it. And as I said, this definitely is the most special one because I got this on my birthday in 2023. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low Lucky Green. Jordan Brand continues its Lucky Green trend with the release of the Air Jordan 1 Low Lucky Green. The Air Jordan 1 Low gets the Lucky Green treatment after it was recently released on the Air Jordan 1 High, 2, and 3 models. The Air Jordan 1 Low Lucky Green is constructed using a Lucky Green and black color blocking across the uppers. Jordan Brand stitched a black Air Jordan Wings logo on the sneaker's heel and a Jumpman logo on the tongue. The low-cut sneakers are laced with a flat black laces. There's no argument that Air Jordan 1 Low is always trendy and always fresh. The Air Jordan 1 Low keeps you ready with a piece of Jordan history and the heritage that's comfortable for all-day wear. By choosing your color, hit the ground running in a unique silhouette crafted with the high-end composite materials and an air capsule in the heel. That's all for today. And remember, Whatever collections you have, your collection is cool, regardless if it is old, if it is dirty, if it is beaten. Just like Jason O'Mara said, every guy needs a pair of beaten up Converse Chuck Taylors, the coolest sneakers in the world. That's all about it with the sneaker stories. Thanks for watching and peace.